It's time for my daily walk, and I really started noticing the diversity of plants around my office. Look at this one, how pretty. And I'm pretty sure it's autumn olives. And if it is, they're edible. And look at this, I'm pretty sure that's elderberry. I'm going to research that. Oh, look at the colors of those berries. This area is totally taken over by vines. It wasn't like this last year. Actually, I think I have a picture. It was all that grass. But now it's all grapevine. Sure was the hot, rainy summer for it. What a diversity right here though, huh? The end of my walk back to the office. Oh, a visitor. How lucky, a praying mantis. Well, I hope you all have a great weekend, and thanks for watching my video.